Is my voice clear to everyone? Is my voice clear? Yes, no? Yes. Yes, thank you for joining. Sorry, we had a technical delay. Sorry for the delay. Shall we start? So today is the Warren Buffett day. So before we start, I can see many friends who have joined, but who are joining for the first time. So my name is Shailesh Sharaf. I'm the Managing Director of Dynamic Equities Private Limited. We are NSE BSE members since 1999. We manage funds for our customers. We have an app which we have made for the customers right now, which we will show you. And how do we create value through the app? We will show you. But before that, today's seminar got how Warren Buffett selects the stocks. So this has been my greatest finding, which I want to share with you, with everyone, with excitement. So we all start thinking like fund managers and start thinking like Warren Buffett, right? So we have 142 people. Can you tell me what is the website, what is the company's name of Warren Buffett? Can you please write in the chat, what is the company's name of Warren Buffett? Berkshire Hathaway. Thank you, Aditya. Thank you, right? So most important is that today we have a, how many are interested to know how Warren Buffett select the stocks? How many are interested to know? Yes. Hi, Anand. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everybody. So basically, we want to show you the proof, evidence that Warren Buffett had written it 50 years from many years. He has written this, that how does he buy share in his annual report. Okay, so let us go to the website of Berkshire Hathaway. We'll take you live so you can see it. Let's go live to the website of Berkshire Hathaway. So let's go live to the website of Berkshire Hathaway. Okay, let's go to the annual reports in 2017. I'm taking you live, friends, right? You can also go like that. Okay, so on if you see Warren Buffett, and this is the acquisition criteria of Warren Buffett. So when he buys a company, he decides to buy a company, he sees certain things in the company, right? What does he see, which I'm trying to show you right now? Okay, so I hope, so let's start with my understanding, and then I'll also show you a video of Warren Buffett to prove this important point. But let's understand each point, because this is what you have come for, right? We had told you that we will show you how Warren Buffett select the shares, and we will also show you a strategy which we implemented this in the Indian stocks. So when we start thinking like him, we could find also great stocks which he would invest if he would follow the same principle. Obviously, it is not endorsed by him, friend. It is just the inspiration which we are using to find the right stocks. Many people are using the inspiration, and everybody wants to know how Warren Buffett buys the stock. So if you also start thinking like this, you can buy quality stocks. Now, friends, what is important today is that we need to invest in quality stocks. And that is the key area which you need to learn, very important. Right now, the market is up. So even certain unquality stocks, I would use not the word pathetic, I would use the word unquality, because they might become quality later on if the management changes. So quality stocks and unquality stocks has certain parameters, right? So what is a good quality stock first is, if start with number 3 is business earning good returns on equity. Okay, ROE, he sees ROE as a very important factor while employing little or no debt. We should not be investing in companies which has a lot of debt. Okay, so that is why, that is why Reliance prices are going up, because he's reducing the debt every day. Facebook is investing, Google is investing in the company, and they're reducing debt every day in the company, right? So business earning good returns on equity while employing little or no debt. That is a very, very important thing which you need to learn when you buy a share. Now people ask me, what is the number? So basically you should see at least 2 or 3 years of ROE, okay, which is greater than 15. Some people use ROC, it is pretty similar. ROC is good for capital intensive companies, okay. And then, so good returns on equity is a very, very important parameter. Okay, so let's start understanding return on equity. Then we'll come to the other 6 parameters also, and how we have used this in the Indian context in our app. So if you like value to see it, then obviously why we are doing this is that you can also become a customer of our app by giving you understanding value and giving you good research, and research which is made simply, which the investors can use very easily. That is the purpose. Okay, so let's go to see would you like to see a video on ROE, on what does Warren Buffett tells about ROE? Would you like to see a video, friends? Yes, no, are you interested to see a video? Yes, okay. So let's see a video. Let's see a video of Warren Buffett on ROE. Okay, what he writes, he speaks also. So let's see that video.
In most areas of Japanese, the returns on equity in most areas of Japanese business, returns on equity are very, very low, and it's extremely difficult to get rich by by being the owner of a business that earns a low return on equity. We always look at what a business does in terms of what it earns on capital. We want to be in good businesses. What we really want to be is in businesses that are going to be good businesses and better businesses 10 years from now. And we want to buy them at a reasonable price. But many years ago, we gave up what I've labeled the cigar butt approach to investing, which is where you try and find a really kind of pathetic company, but it sells so cheap that you think there's one good free puff left in it. We used to pick up a lot of soggy cigar butts. I mean, I had a portfolio full of them, and there were free puffs in them. I mean, I made money out of that. But A, it doesn't work with big money anyway, and B, we don't find many cigar butts around that we would be attracted to. But those are the companies that have low returns on equity. And if you have a business that's earning 5 or 6% on equity, and you hold it for a long time, you are not going to do well in investing, even if you buy it cheap to start with. Time is the enemy of the poor business, and it's the friend of the great business. I mean, if you have a business that's earning 20 or 25% on equity, and it does that for a long time, time is your friend. But time is your enemy if you have your money in a low return business, and you may be lucky enough to pick the exact moment when it gets taken over by someone else, but we like to think when we buy a stock we're going to own it for a very long time, and therefore we have to stay away from businesses that have low returns on equity. Charlie?
Okay, friends. So very, very important, extremely important to see. He writes in his annual report, he speaks on it, and usually investors don't use this. I have rarely seen, some investors know about it, that okay, return on equity is one of the fundamental parameters, but they don't use it when they want to buy a stock. So return on equity gives you a lot of quality. Okay, so he says, somebody asked him, why doesn't he invest in Japanese companies? Because those companies gives you low return on equity. Why do you invest in companies which has high return on equity? Because those can be great wealth creators. So if you're looking for quality stocks, if you're looking for quality parameters, because what I've realized is that we only do research on NSE stocks. So we have about 1600 stocks on our app, Value Stocks app. And what we do is we try to find the quality, and then we segregate them and we give it to them. We are a SEBI registered investment advisor, so we can give you that these stocks are pathetic or low quality. and these stocks are very good. Many stocks, friends, right now are rising, but they are very low quality stocks. So when the market will fall, in the last 10 days, those stocks have gone down by 30, 40, 50%. But good stocks have not even fallen maybe 4, 5, 10%. Right? So what you need to learn is that you need to find out companies, which, you have to study that what is happening to those companies, are they quality or not? And this is where investments are very, very important. So basically, if you see the market, which according to my experience, 90% are actually doing technical analysis, and they're buying and selling, and they have a trading mentality. Okay, 9% want to do fundamental analysis, but they don't have a tool to exactly know that this is a quality stock and this is not a quality stock. So why are we doing this seminar? Is that we have to first understand that when you buy a stock, what are the parameters which makes it quality? And ROE is one of those parameters. Okay, so this is a very, very important parameter which we have to see. We start with ROE. Okay, I will take all the questions, Narayanji, everybody, later on. Let me complete my session and then we'll take all the questions from 5:30, because people will get disturbed, right? So let me share with you, and then we'll ask all the questions. We will discuss how Warren Buffett decides the price also, Narayanji. Okay, so let's keep all the questions till 5:30. Let us first complete how does he invest, right? From the video, from his charts, understand how these strategies are made. Let's understand it very clearly. Okay, so now let's go back to the Vikas, let's go back. So what we have done is, Vikas, show our first of our app. So this is the first page of our app, valuestocks.in. Vikas? Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so first is long-term strategy. So this is what and why to buy. Okay, then Narayan Bhayati ji, we will discuss when to buy also. Okay, so that will answer your question. But when to buy comes later. First you decide what to buy and why to buy. So you start with a quality stock first. Okay, so long-term quality strategy, you guys click. So if you click long-term quality stock, you will find these three important parameters: ROE, ROC, free cash flow, and debt to equity ratio. Now these are very, very important parameters to decide the quality of a company. Okay, free cash flow, ROE, ROC, and debt to equity ratio. Okay, let's go back again to the Berkshire Hathaway website to understand this very clearly. Let's go back. So large purchases, at least 75 million pre-tax earning, unless the business will fit into one of our existing units. Okay, so basically large purchase of at least 75 million pre-tax earning. That means he doesn't want to buy any company which is less than 500 crore. That is his standard. Obviously he has so much big money, so we have to change this to Indian context. But what is important is large purchases means the operating profit has to be good. The cash flow of the company also has to be very, very good. Okay, the sales have to be very good of the company, because if you have sales, then only you will have pre-operating profits, right? Yes or no? So sales are a very important part of investing in a company. Sales which generates a lot of cash flow. Okay, so this is a very important part which we have to see in a quality company: sales growth and cash flows. Okay, so let's go, because, and then if you see number 2, demonstrated consistent earning power. Means what? That in the last 3 to 5 years, the companies has some growth in relation to its, profitability. Okay, demonstrated consistent earning power. Earning means growth power is there. right? So company is doing some profitability. So friends, according to my experience, I have been also doing a lot of research and wanted to make very things simple so that we can understand, because there is a mindset, fundamentals are very difficult. That is why people run to technical analysis. People think that fundamental is very, very difficult. But friends, after seeing this, after seeing Warren Buffett, he just uses 4 or 5 major principles to buy a stock, because he knows these 4 principles are very, very difficult to do by a management. Okay, like what is the that is why it says management in place. So he knows that if a company is doing 1, 2 and 3, that management is in place. If the company is not able to do sales growth, the company is not able to generate free cash flow, the company is not able to generate profit growth, the company does not have a good ROE, the company takes very little debt. So these 4 or 5 parameters are so strict that tells him that the management is placed. That is number 4. So we all want to know which is a good management. Now many people, we have 160 people here, and you will all agree, many people will be in business. To grow your business year on year takes a lot of effort. To grow your sales in your business, even if you're working on a salary basis, you know, to grow your sales and to grow your business takes a lot of effort, right? So growth in sales, growth in profits, cash flow, ROE are 4 or 5 parameters which gives you a great stock, which tells you the management is good. The management is very, very good. Okay. So I'll show you in our website also what we have done, so that when you go to ValueStockSend, so we want to show you value, and then we expect that if you like us, then you become a customer. You don't like us, it's fine. But at least we are showing value to your company. And I'm sure not today, tomorrow your friend will tell you that you become a customer of ValueStocks app, because we are changing the way fundamental is. We are making it very simple, very easy for a common investor to learn and to practice and buy good stocks. And if you buy quality stocks, they will always give you good returns, which I will show you also. Okay, so please come to growth strategies. If you see L and U, we have named our website Value Stocks. U is actually sales growth, EBIT growth, net profit growth, and EPS growth. Using growth is a very important parameter, because if a management is able to do growth, that means that management is doing very well. So most of the research companies are actually trying to find out that will the company be able to do growth in future? Yes or no? Many people are doing that research. Now, what does Warren Buffett say? Very, very interesting. Because go back to this is very interesting to learn. See this, what he writes. Isko kar de Vikas. Future se kar de, blue. Yeah. Future projections are of no interest to us, nor are turnaround situations. He wants companies. He says if a company is able to do growth for 3 to 5 years, he checks 5 years of balance sheet. I was reading a book which written by his daughter-in-law, you know, The Buffett Way by Mary Buffett. So she writes that he usually sees minimum 5 years of balance sheet. So in 5 years, if there is consistent growth, at least 4 years, 5 years, or even 3 years, that company is growing, okay? If the company is able to grow sales and the company is able to do good returns on equity, that means that company will even do well in future. Okay, because we are all want to get the future. So he says, once I know this and I know the company has cash flow, these companies will do well. Because to become like that, he says it takes a lot of intelligence by the management, a lot of hard work by the management, and the management is very good. So once the company is able to achieve these 4 things, continuous profit growth, continuous sales growth, ROE is little, there is cash flow in the company, that means that companies become super quality now. Now, whenever you find that company, quality company, you keep a note on that. And then, you know, as Mr. Baheti was asking, Narendra Baheti ji, then you are right, that you buy that company. Okay, so that is a very, very important things, to check a great management. This is how you check a great management. Obviously, it should be simple business. What does it mean by simple business? Simple businesses which we use on day-to-day life. Okay, like we use mobile phones every day. So he bought iPhone, he bought Apple, because now this is the day-to-day life. It's a simple business. I know how so many iPhones are there. Okay, pharma industries, consumer industry, especially things consumed by the people, which is very simple to understand. So those companies tend to do very, very well, which is used by the consumers. Okay, so they do very simple thing. Anything used, they don't invest in very heavily capital intensive companies. If you see the portfolio of Warren Buffett, you will see out of 43 stocks, he does not invest in capital intensive companies. What is capital intensive companies? Capital intensive companies are where you invest, steel, automobiles, power companies. These companies are very heavily capital intensive companies. So he avoids those companies actually, because those companies may have huge debt, and that debt can create a problem in the profitability of the company. So he keeps it very simple. Invest in consumer based companies. Okay, so which are the consumer based companies? I'll show you. Because PPT of consumer based.
Yeah.
We'll answer all questions, Naveen ji, at 5:30. Yeah? Let me complete, please. We'll answer all questions at 5:30.
Opening. Yeah, just a second.
So basically, I'm already answering your questions, Mr. Naveen, that these are all very heavily capital intensive companies: cyclical, metals, energy, oil, cement, power, infrastructure, realty. They are heavily capital intensive companies. So you will see Warren Buffett does not buy these. He keeps it very simple. What is a simple business which is used by the consumers? I'll show you. So basically, he will buy healthcare services. He will buy a lot of insurance companies, which is used by the consumers. Okay. So he will not buy even hotel, because these are semi-cyclical. SC is semi-cyclical: media, newspaper, packaging, paper, pharma, services. He will buy a lot of banks, because people use banks every day. Simple business. Banks have nothing to understand. Okay, financial services. He bought a lot of airline stock which he sold, because it is semi-cyclical. Okay, sugar. He'll buy a lot of FMCG. So these are the companies which is known as non-capital intensive simple businesses, which we understand, which we do use day to day. Beverages company. So companies which you use day to day in your household, he wants to buy that, because he says people will buy those. Those are the human needs. So that's why he says these simple businesses always gives me higher money. And we checked also by back testing that these stocks have a tendency for long-term holding and gives you higher money. Wherein the capital intensive companies, sometimes like COVID. Now these capital intensive companies, 4 months factories closed. Can you imagine the pressure on the machinery, the cost, the debt? So there will be very high debt, but consumer based companies may not even suffer, So that is why you have to stick to simple businesses, which is used by consumers. That's what he means by that. Okay. Now let's go to the 6th point, which will answer Narayanji's question. After you have identified good companies, then you check the price. At what level will you enter? Okay. Now what usually investors do or traders do, they think that, sasta stock le lo, 3 rupiya ka hai, 10 rupiya ka hai, buy 10,000 rupees, 10,000 stocks. Kitna rupiya lagega? 1 lakh hi to lagega. Now that is not the right way to invest, my friends. That is not the right way to invest. कि 100 रुपया के नीचे है, I buy 500 stocks, I will only lose 50,000 rupees. That 50,000 also has value, my friends, right? So these stocks will also have no value. If these stocks will not have value when you buy stocks which is priced. Price has nothing to do with the fundamentals. So if you see companies which is growing, maybe the face value is rupees 10, so maybe it is high priced. So please don't get scared of buying a 5,000 rupees or a 2,000 rupees or a 3,000 rupees script, because good quality script price does not say that the value is less. So some people get confused that what is the right price to enter is related to price. That has nothing to do with it. Not able to see the screen. Everybody is able to see the screen. Are you able to see the Berkshire Hathaway screen? Can see? Okay. Giriji, problem with you? Please check. Okay. So what is important is that whenever we are doing quality stocks, you have to find that these 4 or 5 principles are very important. Now, I see very interestingly what he writes. We would like to make an acquisition of 5 to 20 billion. They are interested to buy. If we have these 6 parameters, then he is ready to buy those companies and he will take only 5 minutes to decide. That means he has studied, he has understood the principle that if you follow these 4 or 5 parameters, you can immediately hit out at a good quality company. And if you can come and hit out at a good quality company, that is the way you can make very, very good money in the long run. So fundamentals, my friend, is easy. If you follow ROE, you follow cash flows, free cash flow, you want to follow sales growth and profit growth. Okay, I'll take you to my website now, where we have made all the data according to this strategy. This is what we are looking. This is how, I know already we have made about thousands of customers who are already using this platform for fundamental analysis. This is not a trading platform, my friends. Okay, so if you're looking for trading, this is not for trading. But if you're looking for good stocks, you can buy, hold, go make good money. You're not worried of market falling, going up, going down. Then this is going to be the greatest app for you, because we follow certain principles. So if you see the front page, so by following those principles, so long-term quality strategies, what and why to buy, using growth is what and why to buy. So once you know what and why to buy, then you can know when to buy. Okay. Now, how do you decide? Now, everybody wants to know the intrinsic value of the company, right? So what we have done in our website, for all the stocks, we have an intrinsic value to know whether the stock is overvalued, undervalued for all the 1500 stocks. You will not get it anywhere. So if you click valuation strategies, so let me show you first we can just show them. First show them first show them this. We got front page first, then we'll come to strategies. Yeah. So valuation strategy, valuation strategies. Yeah. So how do you value a company? How do you know? How can you value a company? Now this is an important part. There are different ways of valuation. So the valuation which is written in Buffettology, or the books which we have read. I attended a course called Value Investing of Columbia University. So they say Warren Buffett uses DCF valuation. Now what is DCF valuation? DCF valuation is discounting the cash flow of the company and then coming out with the value. Okay. So all the companies right now, I'll show you, we can just go, we have a stock screener. You have a stock screener, valuation, all DCF undervalued, because DCF undervalued. So if you just say all DCF undervalued, all companies will come instantly. and these are all strong buy companies. So about 7 companies are there which is undervalued, but it is very strong buy. Okay, so these are very strong companies, okay, which is extremely strong buy, and they are undervalued. Okay, so this is how, you know, how to know the valuation of each company. Okay, so we'll show you the, go to the valuation strategy, Vikash. So once you become a customer, because our app is not free, we don't give anything free because there is a lot of research data, but I'll show you. No, valuation strategy, Vikash. Yeah, valuation ऊपर में valuation strategy, predictive हम बता देंगे जब click करना, ठीक है?
Okay.
So in valuation strategy, DCF valuation, right? So I'll show you like ICICI Securities or any company, Muthoot Finance, just show the DCF valuation. How do we calculate DCF valuation? The challenge happen is all good companies, usually the valuations is higher.
Just show what? DCF valuation.
Any company, just open any company and show we have the DCF valuation of all the companies. So any company you open, what do you get? Okay, so if you click DCF, how to do it, Naveen, if you become a customer, it gives you how to calculate here. So a training methodology is given how to calculate the entire DCF valuation of each stock. Okay, so this is the example. So all companies, how to calculate it, how this number came. So the calculation is giving here. So if you now practice it, because if I start training you, it will take 2 hours. It is not a, you need Excel, you need to understand step-by-step process, how to do it. So once you become a customer, then you know how to do these things. So all eyes are given how it is calculated. Can you see all eyes? So whatever, like how do you calculate Graham? If you go I, it will tell you how to calculate Graham also. It will give you all the details. How to calculate Graham valuation. Okay, so these are different ways to calculate the valuation of a certain company. Then we mentioned it very clearly, the company is overvalued or undervalued. Okay, now I'll show you the magic of the Warren Buffett strategy in Indian stocks. Would you like to see how when we use those Indian stocks, when you use those 4 parameters in predictive analytics? So we do predictive analytics. So what is predictive analytics? I'll show you. I'll show you what is predictive analytics. I'm very excited to share these things because these are very new things which is not available with the investor community. These are still hidden with fund managers and they do it to, but we have made it available for the investor community. Okay, Vikash, can you show what is predictive from the PPT?
Yeah.
Predictive analytics is what? Is the use of data, statistical algorithm. So what we will do in the Warren Buffett strategy, we will take the last 5 years of EPS growth, we will take ROE, we will take cash flows, we will take, you know, debt equity ratio, which is mentioned there. Okay, and then we will put it in a system, and then it will predict, if I use this, which are the stocks will come and what is the performance of the stocks for next year. This is called predictive analytics. So if you use the right parameter, it will give you the right predictive analytics. Okay, so what is the goal? The goal is to go beyond what is happening, providing a best assessment. What will happen in the future? Because whenever you're buying a stock, what are we doing actually? What are we actually doing? We are predicting, we are thinking. Even when you do technical analysis or fund, we assume that this by buying this will, my future will be better. But what if we do it intelligently? We follow certain methodology and then do it. Okay, so Albert Einstein really said, if you want to know the future, look at the past in details. So if you can look at the past, what are the major parameters which will define the future? So that is why Warren Buffett is able to generate money year on year, holding the share and not selling it also. Okay, so we use this predictive analytics in a tool. So I'll show you the tool. We'll answer all questions. Ganesh, Niranjan, Surajit Datta, Dinesh will all answer question at 5:30. So please hold on, then we'll answer the questions. So we'll show you the Warren Buffett strategy.
Yes.
Okay, so we are just using these 4 parameters. And by using these 4 parameters, it is showing that you can actually make money every year. Because the data changes every year, right? 1 year data will come, then we'll again. So we tested it for next 5 years and we were able to get 111% return. And there are about 15 stocks. There are about 15 stocks which is growing in the last 5 years, which has great cash flows, good ROEs, good D ratio. So we're able to know that these are very quality stocks which will give me very, very good money in the next 5 years. So this is what our customers are buying, and basically in the end, the customers need good stocks which they can hold and they can make money, right? That is the ultimate objective. If you want returns, you have to buy good stocks. If you buy bad stocks, then you have danger of losing money. But if you have good stocks, what happens is stock market keeps going up. Temporarily, you may lose some money, but again it goes up. So I'll show you what happened, because COVID happened in 23rd March. Go down. Okay, so if you see, we tested it when the market had fallen by 36%. This strategy, only fell 18%. So these are the strategies where you should invest in quality stocks, keep it in your portfolio and hold it for a good time. And that is a very, very important thing which you need to do. Okay, so in this way, you understand that how you can develop, how you can think like Warren Buffett. Okay, so I'll take questions one by one. I'll start with, I have questions already. So please put your questions in Q&A, because it is very difficult to do chat. The chat keeps moving. If you want to ask me questions, please put your questions in Q&A. Mr. Murli K, please put your question in Q&A so I can answer. It will be easy for me to answer the question in Q&A. So please put your questions in Q&A. So Dinesh Singh question is, when we remove money from share market, no one. So when we remove money from share market, no one teaching this. Okay, very good, Dinesh sir. Very, very good question. So when do you remove money? When do you remove money? I'll show you. You can remove money by technical analysis also. So I'll give you an example and show you, Mr. Dinesh Singh. Very, very good question. Nobody tells you when to exit. Now, I am the only one who has given exit parameters on my website, Mr. Dinesh Singh. Okay, Mr. Dinesh Singh. That is what you have to buy, Mr. Dinesh Singh. Just click exit and parameter. Exit parameters, we just click. So Mr. Dinesh Singh, these are the exit parameters. So whenever you see the results and you see the company is increasing its debt, company is pledging its shares, okay, company has very low turnover, or company MF holding is 0. So these are some dangerous things, especially when the company is having degrowth. Okay, so these are certain companies which we need to be very, very careful with. Very, very careful with. Okay, Mr. Dinesh Singh, does that answer your question? So exit parameters are there. Okay, so I'll show you an example of Yes Bank, so you'll understand that how you can exit. Thank you. So I'll show you Yes Bank example, Dinesh ji, so you'll understand better. Mr. Yogesh Bish, this is what we sell. This is our business. So we share the value that how we are arriving to those stocks, which nobody will ever tell you. Does anybody tell you when they give you tips? How did they decide to buy those stocks, Mr. Yogesh Bish? Nobody tells you. So that is a strategy you need to buy to invest in those stocks. We are telling you the value of that. Mr. Yogesh Bist. Okay. Mr. Dinesh Singh, let's come back to your question C. What is the issue with degrowth? Now, Yes Bank, everybody bought and we exited at 180 to 19 rupees. How could we exit? Now, when the results come, what is the benefit of fundamental analysis is you need to check the results. So when the results came of these stocks on 26th October, okay, you can check that, the company gave a result of 6% YoY negative, where the company was growing at 25-30% from the last 6 quarters. So whenever it gives you a negative return, that is the first time you need to be very aware of something is wrong. Maybe you did not exit first time. Second time, it again gave a negative. The price was 219 rupees. Third time, when the result came on 30th April, it gave a negative of a minus 227%. Now, this is a very dangerous thing. Now, if this happens, then you really need to be careful and you need to really exit that stock. That is a very, very important thing. And that time also the price was 168. So exit is possible if you are able to see the degrowth and you understand fundamental results. Okay, Mr. Dinesh Singh? Are cyclical stocks good? Yes, Mr. Surajit, if you can calculate the companies not taking loans or debt, Mr. Surajit Datta, those companies are good. Okay. Castrol India, ROE, ROC are excellent, price, margin good. Why no returns? Okay, Vikas just showed me the 5-year returns of, just show app, open Castrol. I will not be able to answer individual share questions, but for an example, I'm only doing it. If I start answering individual share questions, then it will take 3-4 hours. Okay, but I'll answer this question.
Yes.
See the 5-year, Vikas? Price has not gone up in 5 years, okay? Sales growth देखें, sales growth लगा बेटा? So if you see, the sales growth, how much did they increase? Vikas, just click Vikas, click Vikas. So 3,500 to 3,900, about 10%. In the last 2 years, there has not been sales growth. Okay. So one of the issue is that there is no sales growth. Okay. So whenever, like Mr. Yogesh Bist is correct, because they have competition, government rules, but those are subjective analysis. We are trying to do objective analysis. So whenever the sales growth reduces a company, if you see last 2 years, there is no sales growth. So if you see last from 18th March to 19th March and 20th results, Vikas, 20th March result, this is December quarter. Okay?
December quarter, December.
This is December. Okay, this is December year ending. There are 28 companies, which is December year ending. So entire 2 years, 1st January to 18 and 1st January to 19, 2 years, there has not been a sales growth. So one of the things which I have seen, if there is no sales growth, then people are not interested to buy. Let's see the profit growth also. Yearly. थोड़ा ऊपर दिखा, थोड़ा ऊपर जा, हाँ. Decent profit growth, but not sales growth. So sales growth is a very important criteria. This is the same thing happening with ITC. Same thing happening with ITC. Ganesh Ranjan. So sales growth really drives the prices, up. So it is a good stock, Mr. Ganesh. Whenever it has a sales growth, you will see Castrol and companies like ITC will move up. Okay, so sometimes you need that trigger of sales growth that now again customers are buying those products. Okay, so that's a very important thing. So whenever sales grow up, that information is all released. Okay, and then everybody starts buying those companies. So sales growth are very, very important. Okay, let's take some more questions in Q&A. Federal Bank, sir, I cannot, Narendra ji, sorry. इंडिविजुअल फेडरल बैंक पे देंगे तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा. I want to give you some understanding of the Murli ki RL is more of a the digital near monopoly duopoly means valuation by DCF might not provide accurate. That's correct. DCF valuation Murli ke is always very subjective. Is always very subjective. That is why even Warren Buffett does not say use. So you have to see the current thing. So currently Reliance is reducing the debt, but the big problem of Reliance is their petrochemical has lost 88% sales. Now, because so many people are investing in the company, the prices are shooting up. Because if Reliance becomes debt-free, then it becomes a great company. They have 3,60,000 crore rupees of debt, and they have reduced 1,60,000 already. So in September, because debt figures comes March and September, Mr. Murli. So if they are able to reduce debt, then it's fantastic. By which is there is no one way, Mr. Mayur Shah, to value a stock. There is not one way. Okay, there is not one way to value a stock. Okay, please ask questions in the Q&A, Mr. Yogesh Bish, so it will be easy for me. I can't questions two places. I was talking about Reliance, Mr. Milind Shah. Okay, so Mr. Mayur Shah, there is no one way. It is very subjective. Some uses price to sales ratio, some uses Graham, some uses book value, some uses P. So P is the most common way, Mayur Shah. So basically any company which is less than 20 P is now undervalued. Okay, so any good company which has those three and it is under 20 can be considered undervalued. It is very difficult, anonymous attendee, to calculate approximate intrinsic value. So one of the ways is P. If the P is below 20, then it is a good intrinsic value. The intrinsic value of the company is good. But it should be please understand, if you know valuation, but please valuation after growth, sales growth, ROE, and then you go to valuation. Okay. No, I don't recommend, Mr. Neeraj Jain, I don't recommend any government or shares, because PSU shares do not do well. How can I take benefits of your application, Mr. Bijoy Kumar Mohanta? You can actually, if people want to take, we can give you a one-to-one free training. Again, it is free because we are very confident of our product. Once you understand it, you will buy it. But we will give you free, because why we do these sessions? To give value, to understand that we are very serious about helping the customers. Okay, so there is a link. If you see on the app, if you fill in the link, then you can fill up what time you want a one-to-one. And if you have a demat stocks, if you have a lot of demat stocks, we can also show you each demat stock, what is the quality of those stocks, whether it is buy, not buy. So you can see the quality of the stocks also, Mr. Bijoy. Okay, and they will also allow you to use the app for 3 days if you take the one-to-one free. So take the one-to-one free, use the app for 3 days free, and then decide if you want to become a customer. I think we cannot do much better than this, showing our research in a free seminar, then giving you free to use, understand everything, and then decide. Okay, Narendra ji, very difficult to give views on personal stocks. If you want, Narendra ji, my person will open the stock app for you, and then you can see all the views there. Which valuation is no? There is not one valuation. You can take an average, Alkesh. Valuations are always very subjective. Nobody has ever reached a correct valuation. It is a subjective analysis to know, about it. Okay. So I teach valuation. I have a 5-day course actually. So I teach valuations in details there, step by step. So it takes about 3 to 6 hours to learn everything. You just can't learn valuation in a 15-minute talk. It's not possible. But if you want just a valuation of all the companies, that we have calculated and given it in our app. That's correct. That's correct, Rajesh ji. Those are slightly expensive, but right now the market fell, right? So those companies were available at 15-20%. Like somebody was asking me, Muthoot or Manappuram, So those companies are good. Some companies give you a good correction, so that is why you can buy those companies. I have ran a screener on the fundamental. You've ran a screener, Mr. Charanjit Jatta. You've ran a screener in our app, Mr. Charanjit Jatta. Mr. Chiranjit Datta. So no response, so I can't help. I have a dormant trading account created by I'm new stock. I need to receive my account, feels very daunting. Don't worry, Mr. Anonymous Attendee. Invest in large cap stocks. If you are very, very scared, start with large cap stocks. Okay. So large cap stocks are very, very good. So let's start with large cap stocks and slowly go to small cap stocks. Anonymous Attendee. Mr. Naveen, I want to do research, good company. How can I know how to buy the customer values? How can I know how to do research? So why, Mr. Naveen Tyagarajan, we have a 5-day course in which I tell you how to do valuations. Okay, my next course is on 28th of September. You can take one-to-one. My person can explain you about the course. Okay, and then you can decide, Mr. Naveen. So people who are interested, you must have received an SMS. You take a one-to-one training. You understand the app. You understand the value. If you're interested in fundamental analysis, if you're a trader and you just want to buy and you want to get tips, we don't do that. We'll give you solid stocks to invest in. Okay. Where to enter the stocks and any strategies there. Yes, that is what we teach Bizarre Sam Prasad. Mr. Bizarre Sham Prasad, we teach you quality stocks and we will also teach you at what rate you can enter. Sometimes we do the monthly lows. If you want to learn these things, you can attend my 5-day program or you can take the stock and take one-to-one training also. Yes, I have a broking house also, Madhulalji. I have a broking house also. But we don't open accounts for retail customers. I only manage, we don't open trading accounts for retail customers. But I'm a SEBI registered broker in the name of Dynamic Equities Private Limited. It's a 21-year-old company, Madhulaji. Surajit Datta, this is good, yeah. Yeah, these parameters are fantastic, Surajit. And add, Mr. Surajit, add sales growth in this also, sales growth and profit growth. So Surajit Datta, if you add sales growth and profit growth, then that is fantastic. How many stocks find out in each sector wise? Did not get your question. Ketan, GOR, did not get your question. Affle is a very good stock, but slightly overvalued, Paul. Very, very good stock, overvalued right now. So wait for some correction. Whenever like market gives a strong correction, you get it 20-30% lower, then you buy it. Because it is very highly overvalued. But it's a great stock. Okay. What should be the ideal asset allocation of any person? How can we decide the asset allocation? See, I will always say do not invest more than 2% in one share or maximum 4%. So try to keep a portfolio of 25 stocks to 50 stocks. So if you have a capital of 10 lakhs, then buy about 4 lakhs in each stock and keep it 25 stocks. If that's correct, Mayusha, it's very scary. That is why this, like right now we had a correction. So during correction, these stocks are available at 10, 15, 20, 30% discount. Then you enter those stocks, Mayusha. You see the valuation, Tribhuvanji. Tribhuvanji, 52-week high is not the right way. Check the quality, check the ROE, Mr. Tribhuvan Parmar, check it, and then decide what I've shared with you right now. Can you give a list of quality stocks as per definition? Yes, I can show you. We can't just show them the quality stocks. Everybody must have received a yes, Rohtas Yadav, I'm showing you. Rohtas Yadav, I'm showing you list of quality stocks. There is a link of one-to-one training. If you're interested, then you can get your entire stocks, scrutinized by us, your portfolio scrutinized very quickly. The health of your company very, very quickly.
Quality stocks.
So all these are quality stocks.
Only strong buy.
Only strong by the These are all quality stocks. You can take a print, Mr. Rohtas, or click a picture. We have Mr. Ram Babu, Vanobonia. We don't have any monthly subscription. All are annual subscriptions. ROE formula. You can see when you become my customer, I'll show you the ROE formula. Because so whatever we teach, it is all there in I. So my app becomes a very good learning also. MacVana. MacVana, we give you, if you stock any stock, then the formula is given. So if you go I, you click the I, then the formula is given, how the calculation is there. You can take a picture if you want to. MacVana, you can take a picture. Reduction of debt by selling equity is not fact good. I agree, Ganesh Niranjanji, but the company is also growing, right? It's actually not good. So we have to actually check the September balance sheet to actually analyze Reliance. But the way the share prices are going up, it looks like, and the way Google and Facebook has bought it, it looks like a growth stock right now. How the profit is growing when the soul grows? That's a very good question, Naveen Tyagarajan. So what happens is sometimes these companies have some old land or some old insurance, which they get money. So the profit goes up, Naveenji. That is why you have to see the sales growth also. No, Atul Deodariji, we do not give any notice. So basically, even after sales growth, Atul Deodarji, when the company releases the data, after the data, you can, if you have all the four things, Atul Deodarji, please be very clear. Very few people can do ROE, cash flow, sales growth, and profit growth. If you see four things, you'll only get about 70, 80 companies. And if you invest in those companies, they will give you money. So prices don't go up, So, once you buy it, it will give you good money in future. Mr. Atul Deodhar, I hope I'm able to answer your question. The software does not give any information beforehand. Sorry. It only tells you that these are the good companies you should invest in. So out of 1500 companies, you can instantly know which are the companies which have sales growth. Now it is not easy to find out of 1500 companies, only 50 companies are growing in sales growth. How will you know that? So after the results, if you know these companies are growing in sales growth, then you can invest. Does that answer your question, Atul Deodhar? Not necessarily, Mayur. There are many companies still at 30, 40p also, Mayur. Yes, it is based on the valuation method, Anilji. That's correct, Anil Agarwalji. We make it as per the valuation. Aditya Raj, we are not discussing today any market condition because we promised to discuss Warren Buffett. Thank you, Abhijit. Thank you so much for your. Thank you, Abhijit. Thank you for your. Raghuvirji, you see the value. First, Raghuvir Mathur, you take it free, you see it, take the app free for 3 days and then decide. You will see a lot of value. Even if I tell you the value, you will not understand. There is a huge value what you will pay. You will get 10 times the value what you will pay. Okay, you check. Raghuveer Mathur. Yes, the price will jump. So does it? I said if you have those things, again, Rajesh ji, if the company has sales growth, profit growth, ROE, you can buy the share and they will keep going up in the next 1 year. Rajesh Chandrachud. Mr. Sagar Mahajan is already a customer. Pratik, just give him a call about the mid-cap back-tested strategy. Can we invest monthly, weekly, irrespective of the price? I did not get your question, Rajesh. The fee for the 5-day course is 7,500. You first take the app, Mayur, and then decide. It is online course. Mayurji, it is an online course. We don't teach future and options, Saurav Sood. We don't teach future and options. Anonymous attendee, please tell us about, we don't know your name. Anonymous attendee, please put your name and phone number on the chat and then we'll call you for the PMS. No, we don't have any branch in Pondicherry and Chennai. We have a branch in Mumbai and we are in Calcutta. Mr. Madhulalji. Sector-wise, how much each sector stock selection? Maximum in each sector, you should keep it 10 to 15%. Don't go more than 15% in one sector. Ketan Jiwar. Madan Mohanji, again, Madan Mohan Gupta Rachori, I request you, you see the app for 3 days, आप one-to-one लीजिए, पहले value देख लीजिए, okay? पहले value देख लीजिए, then you decide. I can tell you the value is 5,000 rupees for a year, but you check. There are certain strategies for 10,000, there are certain strategies for 5,000. But first see the value and then you decide. We can't, if Mr. Basha, please take one-to-one. My app will tell you whether to invest in Dixon or not. First, Mr. Prakasham, you take a 5-day training first and then you decide to enter. So my 5-day training will give you some solid fundamental training. And then Mr. Prakasham, you decide. Yes, I have portfolio management, Ms. Madhulalji. We have it. We have it. Madhulalji, we have it. आप अपना number दे दीजिए. My person will call you and explain you. No, we don't forecast any forthcoming quarter in PB, Rajesh. We don't do that. Yes, 5-day Excel will give you for a month, Mayurji. Mayur Shah, you will get it for a month. Yeah, it is strong buy. It is delisted does not mean that a company will not reopen. It will get delisted, it will form new companies, and will again come back Samir Sarmakar. The company is very good, so you will not lose any money. Reliance, we have to, Milanji, it is, we have to check the September balance sheet for Reliance. Okay. Right now, that is the stock which is going up because they are getting a lot of people who are reducing the debt. Rohtas Yadav, I have an app which has a good screener to spot good stocks. Rohtas Yadav. So if you take the one-to-one training, the link is there. You select the one-to-one training, or you must have received an SMS or an email. Take that one-to-one training, and then we'll decide. Okay? They will show you the screener. They will show you everything. You can select good stocks. You will get the stock names also free of cost first, and then you can decide whether you want to become a member or not. Yeah, that's correct, Satish Kumarji. 1% overall in 5 years. That's correct, Satish Kumarji. You can check in Raghuramji, you can check all the parameters of all those D ratios in our app. So my person can show you how to check everything. Please fill up the form which I'm sending you. Then you can decide. Johnny Ritsangiji, please take one-to-one training. Okay, and you can ask my person to explain you also. He can also show you the video again. Johnny Ritsangiji, how to predict the crash. There is no lifetime, Surajit. There is no lifetime. Everything is yearly. No, the formula cannot decide what price to buy. Narayan, bhai, market not in line with economy. See, markets have a different way. There is so much money pouring in. So there are some good stock, Narayan, bhai, it is still going up, right? So you have to be. Atul Sumani wants to know about PMS. Atulji, please give me a number. My person will call you. Mayurji, my person, if you do the 5-day training, in which I explain, it takes time, 1-2 hours to explain how to understand fraudulent accounting. So if you take that 5-day training, that in which we teach you how fraudulent accounting can be caught, we can do that. Fundamentals, Mr. Rajesh Chandrachud, I can tell you, there are multi-billionaires investors who uses fundamentals, and there are no multi-billionaire traders. If you want to become a multi-billionaire, then it is only fundamentals which can make you multi-billionaire. Mr. Rajesh Chandrachud, can you give me one name who's a great multi-billionaire in trading? But I can give you 100 names who are multi-billionaires in investing. So trading is actually speculation, and that is why investors lose a lot of money. It is just to satisfy their short-term interest and gambling interest. Yes, Harbans K. If you take that 1-to-1 training, my person can show you the undervalued stocks and strong buy in my app. And you get a free access, you can do it also. Prakash, when is the 5-day program is from 28th of September. Mr. Prakash, you do sign the 1-to-1, my person can help you. What is the minimum sales growth and profit growth? Depends from company to company, but usually anything above 10% is really, really good. Okay, if it becomes 20%, it becomes great. Mr. Surijit Datta. PMS is 50 lakhs, Mr. Atil Deodhar. It's 50 lakhs. In my app, anonymous attendee, can you give your name, please, on the chat? I want to know your name, anonymous attendee, because you're asking. So in my app, you'll get many other investors also. It is chargeable, Nisha. It's a 5-day program, 15 hours. It is chargeable, Nisha Sarvankar. It's not free. This through ROE, Mr. Naveen. So if you do my 5-day program, through ROE, you can know, through ROE and cash flow, you can know that this company will do very well. Mr. Thradid Nirjajan, how can I know that? Please explain the contents of the 5-day training. We can just open the contents. I hope people are filling up the form. Y and Y is good, Hari Krishna. Till 5-day program khol de. For 1 month, Kishore BVN, you can use the app for 1 month after the 5-day program. So this is the 5-day program. If you go on our website, दिखा दे website कहाँ से click करेंगे guys? दिखा दे बेटा. If you go on our website, the 5-day program online training, if you click here, valuestocks.in, so you will know our 5-day program, the entire details is given. Because we have sent this in the chat box also. 5-day program, Pratik, you've sent it right in the chat box. We've also sent the 5-day training chat. If you see the 5-day session, so if you click, you will know all the details. Anonymous attendee. Yes, year over year. That's right, Hari Krishna. So this is also we train exclusively in the 5-day program to understand. Hari Krishna, thank you. Right, so I think so we have answered all the questions. So we have 101 people. How many stocks do you have in your, portfolio. 102 people. How many stocks are there in your portfolio? Only one. Gangadharji, okay, that's easy. Okay, 20. So Shantaramji, you take a one-to-one training and know each stock, whether to hold, what is the quality of the stock. I want to know how to select banking stock. Mr. Sachin Panchal, how to select banking stock. So if you take the one-to-one training, my person will explain you how to select banking stock from my app. So you go to the sector banking and they will show you which is the best stock. Okay, Sachin Panchalji, if you do the one-to-one training. Johnny ji, I hope you've taken the one-to-one training, right? Mr. Johnny Reed Singhani, I hope you've taken the one-to-one training. Have sent my list to Dipayan. You can study with Dipayan and you can do one-to-one with Dipayan and he will tell you what is a good stock, what is a bad stock. Your app is unique. I have not seen anything like this. Thank you, Surijit. Thank you so much. Yes, MF is also there, Sachinji. So he will also give you learning on MF and how to get it. So friends, I think so I've answered all your questions. I hope you liked the seminar. Did you like it? We have 95 people. Did you like it? Thank you so much. So how to know my person with you, the valuation. So once you select a good stock, then you know how to buy. Pratik, how many people have signed up? Okay, we have 84 people. The seminar is finished. If you have any questions or you can exit, please ask me any questions or you can exit. Now the seminar is finished. We've answered all the queries. So thank you very much for joining. So you can exit, or if you want to fill up the form, if you want to take training, you're most welcome to join. The seminar is finished. Thank you very much, friends, for joining. Namaste. If you have any questions, or you have any questions, or you want to fill up the form, you're most welcome and take one-to-one free training and use the app. Thank you, Nagme. Thank you, Mr. Kamat. Thank you so much. You can take the training whenever you want. You can use it for a month, Mr. Kishore BVN, after the seminar. The section is over, friends. If you have any questions, I am happy to answer. We have 59 people. Thank you, NSG. Thank you for joining. I hope you will take the training and you will enjoy the free training and maybe that's good, but that's a very risky strategy, Mayurji. But God bless you. If you're making money, God bless you. But this is very risky for me. So God bless you, Mayurji. Continue investing, continue making money. So the session is over. Shall we get recordings of the training? And yes, you will get training. Yes, you will get recording, Vimashinji. for 1 month, you will be able to see the recording if you miss the classes. You will get the recording. Okay, friends, thank you very much. We will close. Thank you so much. Thank you. Namaste. 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 Thank you. Informative, good learning for me to start for long gap of investment. I'm a small investor. Have a good weekend. Yeah, Sheetalji, please take the one-to-one training and then the person will give you the recording. Please take the Sheetalji, please take one-to-one training with my people. I hope you filled up the form and you will have more knowledge. Yes, Madanji, quick, yes. You have a question. Yes, Madan Juneja ji. Please ask the question. Free, yeah. Yes, that is free one-to-one training. That's correct, Sheetalji. Yes, Madan Juneja ji, please ask the question. Yes, Madan Juneja ji, please ask the question. Madan Juneja ji, you're not asking question. Okay. He doesn't want to. So we are closing, friends. So please exit. Madan Juneja ji. Yes, thank you, Sheetal ji. Please get back. Thank you so much. Sir, I sent a question where I cannot get the question. Maybe can you put on the chat? Maybe I cannot see the question on the chat box. Can you put on the chat? Maheshwaran Ganeshan, can you put on the chat again? Yes, 5 days is about fundamental analysis through Bhuvanji. Yes, correct. Action and momentum is how you can develop strategies with action and momentum. How do you develop fundamental strategies with price also? So some good fundamental and price, and then you make a strategy with it. That is the meaning. Yes, there is a discount. Yes, Mr. Maheshwaran, there is a discount. Pratik, call Maheshwaran Ganeshan. 5-day program, explain him. So you can do both at 10,000 rupees, Maheshwarji. So there's a discount of 20. From 12,500 will become 10,000. Please talk to my person, he will explain you. Rohtas Yadav, you take a one-to-one training, Mr. Rohtas Yadav, and then he will show you the stock. You can use the app free of cost for 3 days, Rohtas Yadav, and then you can see the stock. We don't have any branch in Bangalore, Mr. Bhima Sen. Mr. Rajesh Chandra, please fill up the form there, and you will have a time, and my person will call you at that number. In the website also there is a number. We can't show the number, please. How can I get you get Mr. Please fill up, Mr. Maheshwaran, please fill up the form, take the training, and my person will help you. So the number is here. If you can see the number is here, Mr. Ganeshan. Okay, this is the number. You call up this number. Yes, he joined late, Mr. Madan Juneja. So what is your question? Yes, his name is Pratik. That's correct, Mr. Ganeshan. Thank you, Ji. Okay, so we are closing now, friends. I hope I have answered all questions. Thank you. We are closing now. Thank you very much. Pratik, how many forms filled up? Pratik?
28.
Okay. Okay, thank you, friends. Namaste.